If you're looking to host a successful webinar for your new product announcements, Livestorm is the tool you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to leverage Livestorm's features to create a seamless experience for your audience, ensuring that your product launch makes a lasting impact. The first step is to sign up for Livestorm. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. Livestorm is incredibly user-friendly. In fact, you can start using it completely for free by clicking the first link in the description below. And as a bonus, you'll get an exclusive extended trial to fully explore its features, making it the perfect time to dive in. Once you're signed up, let's get your webinar scheduled. Livestorm makes it super simple. You can create an event in just a few clicks. Start by choosing a title for your webinar, which should be clear and engaging. This is your chance to grab attention. A compelling title can set the tone and spark curiosity about your product announcement. After that, you can set the date and time for your event, making sure it's accessible to your audience. Next, personalize the registration page. Livestorm allows you to customize it with your brand colors and logo, which helps maintain your professional image. You can also add a brief description of your product launch, highlighting key features that will excite your audience. Don't forget to include a call to action on the registration page to encourage signups. Once your registration page is ready, it's time to promote your event. Livestorm integrates well with your marketing tools, so you can easily share the link across social media, email, and even within your website. The more people you can drive to your webinar, the better the results. And don't forget to send reminders. Livestorm allows you to set up automated emails to ensure your registrants don't forget about the event. When it's time for the webinar, Livestorm gives you all the tools to engage your audience. You can present your product with a professional-looking presentation, sharing slides, videos, or even live demos. Livestorm's platform allows for a high-quality streaming experience with minimal delay, which is crucial for keeping your audience's attention. Interactivity is key to a successful webinar. Livestorm offers features like polls, Q&A sessions, and live chat, so you can keep your audience engaged throughout the event. During the product announcement, be sure to use these tools to answer any questions in real time, creating a sense of involvement for your viewers. At the end of your webinar, you can use Livestorm's analytics to measure how well your product announcement was received. The platform gives you detailed insights into participant behavior, so you can understand which parts of your presentation were most engaging and where people dropped off. This data is invaluable for refining your future webinars. And here's a quick tip. Livestorm allows you to record your webinar. This means you can repurpose the content later, whether it's for marketing purposes or just for people who couldn't attend live. You'll have access to high-quality recordings that can be shared across your channels. Remember, if you want to start using Livestorm today, you can get started for free with the link in the description below. Plus, as I mentioned, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, giving you more time to fully explore the platform's potential. Livestorm is an incredibly powerful tool for hosting webinars, especially for new product announcements. Its simplicity, customization options, and engagement features make it the go-to software for marketers and businesses looking to make an impact with their online events. Don't miss out on using this platform for your next big launch. Check out the link below to get started today.